Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Laravel eCommerce bulk add to cart plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the customers to buy the products in bulk. It allows the customers to add the bulk products in their cart with different quantities at once. The customers get a feature wherein they can download a sample file that includes two columns, product SKU and product quantity. The customer needs to add the SKU of the product along with the quantity that the customer wants to purchase and then upload that particular file to add products in bulk to the cart to make a checkout thereafter. Kindly note that to make use of this particular plugin, that's the Laravel eCommerce bulk add to cart plugin, you must first have purchased and installed the Laravel eCommerce customer document plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the customers to add bulk products with different quantities in the cart at once. By uploading a CSV, XLSX and ODS file, the customers can add bulk products to the cart. The customers will find all the bulk products with their respective total at the shopping cart page. In the document section, the customers will find the document which includes the product SKU and the existing product quantities that can be used within the downloaded sample file, wherein they need to enter the product SKU and the product quantity so as to upload that file to bulk upload the products into the cart so as to make a checkout thereafter. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of the Laravel eCommerce bulk add to cart plugin at the customer's end and at the admin's end as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now I'm at the storefront, as you can see right now. And what I'll be doing is I'll be logging into the customer account panel. So for that, I'll be tapping here and tapping on the sign in button thereafter. This will bring up the sign in section. Here I'll be selecting the customer email, or I'll be entering the customer email, and I'll be entering the password for the customer. And I'll just tap here on the sign in button thereafter. Let's go back and now after the successful installation of the Laravel eCommerce bulk add to cart plugin, the customers will find one option there with the name bulk add to cart. As you can see on the left hand side panel for the account panel options, here you'll find the bulk add to cart option. So if I tap here on the bulk add to cart section, this brings up a particular section wherein we have to choose a file that contains the product SKU and the product quantities there. That file needs to be uploaded, and then you need to tap here on the submit button, and after tapping on the submit button, the particular products that you have added within that particular file would be added along with the quantities to the cart in bulk itself, and then you can make a checkout thereafter. But you might be thinking how the customers would get to know the product SKU and how they can set up the rest of the things there. So for that, what I'll do is I'll show you, as I've already told you, that to make use of this particular plugin, you must have first installed the Laravel eCommerce customer document plugin. So here you have the document section as well. Now under the document section, we have two document types. One is the product type and one is the marketing type of a document there. So the admin needs to upload the product document that contains the product details. So I'll show you that how the admin would be able to do the same, and then we'll come back to the bulk add to cart section to show you the rest of the workflow at the plugin. So for that, let me go to the admin backend panel of Bagisto, and let me log into the admin backend panel by entering the email, password, and tapping on the sign in button thereafter. Now the very first thing for the product document, what the admin needs to do is he needs to go to catalog, and here he'll find the complete list of products that he has within his store. He can export the particular file. So let's export the file in the CSV format, and let's tap here on the export button thereafter. So you can see that the particular file has been exported, the products data grid, and if I open it up, It has the product IDs, product SKU, product name, product type, price, attribute for a family, and the quantity right now available for each of the respective products itself. So from this particular file, the customers can check the product SKU that they want to use for the product that they want to purchase in bulk. So they can add the particular SKUs in the file that they'll find under the particular section here under the bulk add to cart. Now I've downloaded the file. Now after that, what the admin needs to do is, the first step was that the admin goes to catalog, exports the file. The file has these details, right? Then the admin needs to come to the document section. Here the admin needs to add a document and set the name of the document as product details. You can set it up as per your own requirement there. The type would be product, and if the type is product, then the particular thing would be displayed, or the document would be displayed under the product settings. Otherwise, if you set it as marketing, then it would be under the marketing section. So we'll set it up for the product there. We'll set it as active. We'll set all product details are available in this file. From here we'll choose the file by tapping on the choose file option, and then I'll go to my download section. I'll choose my particular file. I'll tap on the save document thing, and you can see that the product details complete, it's active, the type is product. And now if I go to the customers section under the documents here and I refresh the page here, under the product section I'll find the particular file thing with the name, product details complete, description, all product details are available in this file, and the option to download the file from here. So from here we can, as a customer, we can download the particular product details file, as you can see, and I can view the product SKUs that are there that I want to add, or the products that I want to add in bulk to the cart there. For them, I can check their product SKUs from this particular file, and I can make use of this product SKU in the bulk add to cart file itself. So for now, you might have understood the workflow there of how to add the product details document there. That would then be available to the customers here under the product section. The customers would download it up, and after downloading, they can view the details of the complete products there. Now let's come to the bulk add to cart section. Now this is the actual workflow of the bulk add to cart. Now here we need to choose a file. So you can download a sample file as well by tapping on the download sample file. A sample file would be downloaded. So I've already downloaded a file. Let me open it up by double clicking the file. So I've opened the file that I had downloaded from here. From the download sample file. It's an XLS file. So what I need to do is I need to create two columns. One is the SKU column and one is the quantity column, and within the SKU column I need to enter the SKUs of the products that I want to purchase in bulk. So I will be having multiple products there. For this example, we have two products here. So the product SKU is 1 and 2, as you can see here. So I've set it as product SKU 1 and 2, and I want to purchase for product 1, product SKU 1 I want to purchase 5 units, product SKU 2 I want to purchase 5 units itself. So now what we need to do is we need to go to choose file option. After setting that file up, we need to save that file and we need to upload it up, and then we need to tap here on the submit button thereafter. After we tap here on the submit button, we'll be redirected to the shopping cart page, and there we'll find our products added in bulk with the respective quantities that we had chosen there. So here you can see that SKU 1 and 2, the landscape over the horizon and the watch chronograph have been added into the cart with the 5 quantities there, as you can see. So the price is 500 for 5 units. This is 200 per unit, so for 5 it's 1000 units, and from here the customers can now proceed to the checkout after adding the products in bulk to the cart with their respective quantities there itself. So that was the workflow of this particular plugin. That's the Laravel eCommerce bulk add to cart plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this particular plugin allows the customers to buy the products in bulk. It basically allows the customers to add bulk products in their cart with different quantities at once. The customers get a feature where they can download a sample file that includes two columns, product SKU and product quantity. The customer needs to add the SKU of the products that he wants to purchase in bulk along with their quantities in that CSV file. That CSV file needs to be uploaded under the particular section there. Let me show you the section under the bulk add to cart section. So from here you'll download the sample file, set up the two columns. One is the product SKU column and the product quantity column. Set up the product SKUs, and to get the details of the product SKU, you'll go to the document section, and under the document section you'll go to the product section, and here you'll find the product details file that the admin has uploaded from the admin backend panel. That can be downloaded, and after downloading you can find the product SKUs within that and the quantities available of each of the products there, and accordingly then you can set up the sample file that you have downloaded under the bulk add to cart here with the product SKU and the particular quantities. Then you need to save this file. After saving this file, you need to upload this file and tap on the submit button thereafter, and then the particular products would be added in bulk to the cart there with the respective quantities itself. So I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@buggystore.com, or you can raise a ticket at buggystore.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.